How to withdraw crypto from Kraken to your bank account. So the first step is to sell your cryptocurrency. So you're gonna have to simply tap on this purple button, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on sell. Then you're gonna have to select your cryptocurrency and then simply tap on the crypto name to choose how many you want to sell. So let's say 10 Solana coins. Then simply tap on next, and then you're gonna have to simply swipe to confirm. Then after you do that, you're gonna have to go back. So I'm gonna cancel this order, and then you're gonna have to simply, so let me go back. Then you're gonna have to tap again on this purple button, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on withdraw. Now here you can see that I have the cryptocurrencies. Now if you sell any cryptocurrencies and you have some balance in your Kraken account, you're gonna see here euro or USD dollars. So simply select that, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your bank account details, and that's it. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.